I wanted to take just a minute to talk with you about your site visit assignment. There are details for that assignment in the syllabus, but I just want to talk with you briefly about it this way. So the purpose of the site visit assignment is to give you an opportunity, an excuse if you need it, to go and visit a different community of folks who are Christian persons who worship or express their Christian faithfulness really differently from the way you do. So, for example, that might be if you are, evangelical Christian in North America, it might be helpful for you to go and visit an Eastern Orthodox worship service some week. Or if you are a Roman Catholic Christian, perhaps go and visit a Pentecostal service. Or if you are in a church that is predominantly of one ethnicity, go and visit a church that's of a different ethnicity. You can find all kind of information on churches in your areas to visit. It doesn't have to be a church. You might also visit maybe a soup kitchen or some place where social justice expression of Christianity is the main expression, if that's not something that's just already normally part of your Christian walk. The point is for you to pick something that's just very different from the way you express your Christian faithfulness. And what I'd like you to do is, plan to go. You can find information about all different kind of places via the internet. And, schedule yourself some time, arrive a little early maybe, look at the space, participate in the services openly as much as you are able to do. And if you get a chance to talk with somebody about it there afterward, that's great. But the main thing I want you to try to notice is, what do you notice as being really important to the people gathered there in terms of how they understand what it means to be a faithful Christian? What is it about the way they express their love for the Lord Jesus, their discipleship to the Lord Jesus Christ, that lets you know what, this is really important to the people gathered here. And then the writing assignment, that's just a reflection paper, is going to ask you to kind of reflect on the experience. It'll ask you to identify that, to describe what it is, where you went, who you worshiped with, or who you interacted with, depending on where you choose to go. It'll give you the opportunity to talk a little bit about what that was like for you. Did you enjoy it? Was it really kind of uncomfortable? You'll have a chance to talk about that a little bit in your paper. And hopefully you will find this experience to be something that will just give you a good sense of the kinds of things that we're reading about and studying about this semester, but it's an experiential way for you to encounter someone, a Christian persons who are other than the way you understand your own Christian faithfulness. So I hope you enjoy the assignment. If you check on the website, you can see when the assignment is due, and there's time given during a particular week for you to do the assignment. But if you don't have time that week, personally you're going to be away or something's going on that week, you can certainly do it another time. Just schedule the time as it makes sense to you to make sure you can get the paper for the assignment done by the time that's due. But sometime between now and when that paper's due, treat yourself to the opportunity to go and experience Christian discipleship with some folks who do it differently than you do. And I hope you really learn something that you will value from this experience. So enjoy.